I hope you're having a great day. So my videos are a little boring lately. We got more rain. So exciting. My plants are loving it. And today I just harvested a little bit of ageratum. I cut the tops off of my amaranth. I got a few things of yarrow, and that was about it. But stuff is growing and stuff is getting big, and I'm excited about it. But mainly today, I'm weeding again. And I did say that I would give you guys an update almost every day this year, every day that I could. And I do have a delivery tomorrow that's a really big one. I'm delivering 45 of my peonies. So that's a lot of my peonies. I should be able to use the rest of them in the farmer's market. And then hopefully some stuff comes on like lilies and different things. So anyway, I will be showing you that later in the week. And today is just kind of a weeding day. I'll try to get a few pictures. I just harvested just a little bit of stuff, some anemone. And that's it. I'm just weeding and planting maybe some seeds today. Those are crazy looking mushrooms. That little guy jumped out of a hole and made me scream out loud. I think he jumped right over my head.